In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple stops in Apple Maps. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're planning a road trip, have several errands to run, or simply want to visit multiple locations in one go. Let's dive right in and make your next journey more efficient by taking advantage of this feature. First, start by opening your Apple Maps app. You'll want to ensure that you're logged in and have both Wi-Fi or cellular data enabled for seamless connectivity. Now that you have the app open, the first thing you'll need to do is set up your route. Begin by entering your starting point and final destination. You can do this by tapping on the search bar, input the details of where you'll be starting from, and where you wish to end your journey. It's okay if you don't know the exact address. The app's smart search should help you find the right spot, whether it's a friend's house, a local store, or a famous landmark. Make sure to confirm these locations as the app suggests them. Once your main route is set, you'll notice an option to add stop features prominently on the screen. This is a central aspect of today's tutorial. Tap this feature to begin adding any additional destinations or errands you'd like to accomplish along the way. You might have a total of 5 or even more places to visit today, and that's totally fine. There's no need to limit your day to only 2 locations when Apple Maps can organize them for you. After you've added your desired stops, take a moment to look at the order in which they appear. This is crucial as the default order might not be the most efficient one. Apple Maps allows you to reorder these stops according to your priorities. To do this, find the small 3-line icon next to each stop. Tap and hold this icon to drag your stops into a new order. This feature is particularly useful if you have time-sensitive engagements or want to minimize travel time by visiting locations that are closer to each other first. Feel free to rearrange until it suits your needs perfectly. Once all your stops are sorted to your satisfaction, you're ready to start navigation. Simply tap the Go button, and Apple Maps will begin providing you with turn-by-turn directions. The app will guide you seamlessly from one location to the next, making sure that your journey is both efficient and enjoyable. And there you have it, an easy way to add multiple stops in Apple Maps. This feature not only saves time but also ensures that you have a stress-free navigation experience. Whether you're on a business trip, out for a leisurely day, or just running errands, this feature can make your travels smoother. Safe travels and happy navigating.